Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nabat Fatahila. My name is 2023-2125 and I'm from Information System Studies. Okay, so today I will explain about my practical project about HTML. So the first project is make a biodata page with HTML. Okay, so the first part is of course the HTML tag for the doc type, document type. I'm using English for the language, and then here for the title, I set it to biodataku. Move on to the body part. Here, I give h1 for header 1 biodataku, and then I make it another header h2 identitas diri. And then after that, I use the tag image to insert an image to the page. The source is here, image1.png. I set the width to 200 pixels and the height to 350 pixels. And then after that, I make an unordered list for the biodata. Here is the list. So there are name, the prodi or the studies, and alamat or address, and email. Okay, I used an ordered list. After that, I make another header using h2 for the size called hobby. Here I put two images, image 2 and image 3 from here as the picture of some of my hobbies. After that, I give it an ordered list for now. It's ordered and the type is number like 1, 2, 3. So here is the list. So the list is playing games and reading books. After that, I make a table called Riwayat Pendidikan or my history of my school. Here for the table head, I add a style, background color, cyan. After that, for the table head, for the column of the table, I add number, tingkat pendidikan, nama sekolah, and tahun lulus. After that, for the content of the table, I make it like this. One, this record number 2, and this record number 3. Okay. After that, we close it by the table body, and HTML. So that's it for my first page. The visual is like this. This is the h1, this is h2, the image, this is the unordered list, and then this another header using h2, and then this the two images. This is the ordered list, and lastly, this is my table of riwayat pendidikan from number 1 to number 3. Okay, so that's it for the first page. Next, I make a form HTML for some registration. Still, I use English, and then the title is registrasi. Here, make some header called registrasi akun or account registration. After that, I give it a tag form to make a form, of course, and then field set. On the legend, I make it formulir registrasi. So for the first label, it's for name. So insert name, and then I give it a placeholder, my name. The second label is for name or like student ID. There, the placeholder is my name. And then next is email. For email, the input type is of course email. And then this is the placeholder I used. Okay, and next for gender. For this label, I use radio type labels. So there is like laki-laki and perempuan or male and female. Next, I use another label again called agama or religion. I use the label type of option value. Select 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 labels, select type labels. Then Islam, Christian, Buddha, Hindu, and Konghucu. After that, I make a label for password, input password, type password, the ID, and then after that, I make another label to confirm the user password. After that, I make the last label is for submit with the value of daftar. And then we close it with field set, form, body, and HTML. That's it for the second page. Here is the visual of the form. Here is the title, the header. This is the legend. This is the first label, name, and then email. This is the gender using radio type labels, and then this for religion using the select type labels, and then here is the password, and finally this is the submit button. Okay, so overall that's it for my practical project for web programming class. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.